legit. Anything you want.
Hey, how are you? I hope you're having a great Sunday wherever you're watching this video from all around the world. In this picture, we're looking at Rothenburg, Germany. I would love to know in the comments below if you're from Germany and if you've actually been to Rothenburg. That would be amazing to hear from some people watching the video from there. And if you've traveled to Germany, give us some options of some beautiful places in that country we can visit if we ever get a lucky chance to go over there. Now, in this video, guys, we're talking about Ripple XRP, how they're reaching for global presence, all right? And they're also working with regulatory frameworks. This could be a good advantage for XRP over other cryptocurrencies who aren't so willing to work with the regulators. We're also going to talk about news that XRP was used as a base currency on a newly launched exchanger. So very interesting. That will bring a lot of usage to XRP, the token. Now, let's get right into it, guys. We know, right? It's possible to come that government regulations are going to be very welcomed by lots of cryptocurrencies and projects in the future, but right now they're very welcomed by Ripple and XRP, the token. So the idea with Ripple as the global financial solution provider is that they know to grasp worldwide adoption and presence, they have to be ready to be able to work with officials and regulators. Now, Corey Johnson, the chief of marketing, he's a strategist at Ripple. He said during an interview, this type of intervention by regulators might work for the best, and it's very exciting for the regulators to step into the cryptoverse. He was quoted as saying, one person's regulation is another person's protection. So I believe it's really important for investors to be protected. We've seen what happens when there aren't investor protections. We've seen investors lose so much money, and we've seen it in the world of crypto. We've seen some really bad actors involved, so we're thrilled the regulators are getting involved. So basically, Ripple was given the right to sell the subsidiary XRP by BitLicense, okay? And it was targeted at firms and big institutional investors. So we know back in quarter two, there was a little sharp drop in Ripple, okay? And the sales compared to kind of the first quarter, they were down a little bit too, when we didn't have millions and millions worth of XRP sold in those couple of months. But it's more attributed to the market, right? Now, we don't also have to worry about this decline throughout all of 2018. As hopefully the market's going to be picking up and we'll be reaching a fever pitch in the market with institutional interest, okay? So there should be a big increase in the institutional interest and money that comes into crypto and especially flows into projects like Ripple XRP. Now, typically institutional investors, if they're going to be purchasing cryptos or any investment, especially XRP, they're probably more interested. This is what the news is saying. They're more interested in uses for the coin or long-term asset appreciation, okay? So the institutional money will be looking at projects that have uses, real use cases, and items and assets that can have long-term appreciation. As opposed to institutional money won't be so much looking just to flip projects and coins, okay, and do some day trading, okay? So they're going to be heavily investing in the long-term projects that have real partnerships, real use cases. Now, it was also noted by Mr. Johnson that with the regulatory work intervening a safer space, it will be felt all around the cryptocurrency, right? So everyone will benefit from this. But to much of anything, it could be too worse because we see there might be a little too much regulation going on in the States right now. And a lot of people are also talking, you know, a lot of other countries are moving faster than the U.S. to try to provide more of a clear lanes and where businesses can act and what's right and what's wrong. So we know the U.S. isn't, they got to be very careful here what they're doing, and they're not looking necessarily to drive away a lot of these projects, technology companies and people to other places so they lose out on, you know, this movement we're seeing with the crypto space. So hopefully this regulation gets, you know, settled pretty soon. We see some clarity on it, and then it should be good times ahead as the institutional money comes in. Now, I also want to talk about Ripple XRP being used as a base currency for a newly launched exchanger named BitTrue. Okay, so it's a new Taiwanese exchange platform, and they recently announced their official launch of their services, which will have Ripple XRP as a base currency. Now, according to their official information, XRP will be used as a base pair for currencies in line with other supported currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, in this article, guys, it said, according to the official information by BitTrue, the company has the main aim to provide transparency to the initial coin offerings market by providing a professional selection of ICOs. Earlier, the company also announced about partnering with OneChain, which aims at creating an infrastructure to connect different digital assets. Now, BitTrue CEO Chris Wang officially introduced key objectives of the platform, stating, BitTrue is committed to list only legitimate and promising tokens on our platform. With our professional process and team for currency selection, BitTrue is able to screen candidates and build a healthy environment for trading. As a result of adopting XRP as a base currency, users will now have the opportunity to buy currencies on the platform using their reserves of XRP. In this case, the trading prices will be calculated for the price of XRP and the cryptocurrency's trading experience. So, pretty cool, guys, that XRP will be used on the platform and people will be using their reserves of XRP to buy other currencies. So, good usage of XRP. All right, now in addition, BitTrue also has announced a special bonus for all XRP holders and enthusiasts, as the platform is believed to be dedicated mainly to the fans of XRP. So currently, there are more than 40 different cryptocurrencies that are available for trading. Some of them, as said in the article, guys, got Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar, Tether, Basic Attention, Batcoin, right, and a few other ones. But the CEO of the company also mentioned that the exchange platform aims to provide users with a secure experience, make transactions very safe. The safety is the core element of its products, and more than 90% of user assets in the system are stored in cold wallets, and critical messages are located in distributed storage systems with multiple clusters. So this exchange, it went on to say, they have created an internal risk control model with 4 certification levels, a multi-layer trading infrastructure, an independent trading domain, and a real-time monitoring capability, said Wang. So pretty interesting stuff, guys. It's just like he said, this is dedicated mainly to the fans of the cryptocurrency XRP. So it's very interesting, the usage of XRP on this exchange, to be able to get into other crypto currencies you might be interested at. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. If you've been watching our videos all along, I hope you have a great day, and I'm going to say goodbye to you here. Let me know in the comments below what you think of XRP, any news that you've been reading, and you can share with people in the comments. And have a great rest of the Sunday there, guys. And if you're new to our channel and you're new to cryptocurrency in general, you know we always push safety because we don't want any more people to experience any more theft of their crypto. So I have a little safety tip here for you that'll help you protect your crypto for you and your family. I definitely want to remind you guys, what we're always trying to do is create that movement, and a lot of you guys are jumping on board with that, to make it a more safer and secure environment. So what we need to do is educate everybody of how to, everybody new to crypto, we'll educate one person at a time how to keep their crypto safe and secured. And we can do that with offline hardware wallets, because you don't want to be affected by the next exchange hack. You don't want to be another victim of the $1 billion in crypto we've lost last year to exchange hacks and computer hacks. So small price to pay, guys. If you're investing in crypto, such a small price to pay to secure all the money, that the hundreds and thousands of dollars you've invested already for you and your family. Secure that with an offline hardware wallet. Small price to pay, and you'll protect your family's future wealth. And this is an important message, guys. Please spread it to your friends in crypto. And if you're new, take it very seriously. But if we can educate everybody about crypto and the market's more safe, and we invite all those institutional investors and money in, because the regulation is set and the whole crypto world is more safe for outside people to invest in, our market cap will rise, our projects individual market caps will rise, and we'll be doing a lot better in all of these projects. So it's good, guys. Get an offline hardware wallet. Maybe if you're going to be very serious about your crypto, like myself and my friends are, I use 2 hardware wallets. You could do that. One backup I have, all my crypto safe, put away in a safe place. I'm not going to touch that. And I keep a hardware wallet with me in case I want to make some transactions with my friends or do anything on any exchanges and things like that. So I can, use the crypto I have on those ones, the offline hardware wallets I keep with me. And I personally am going to be giving a lot of hardware wallets to friends. I always do if I get them interested in crypto, so they can start off safe. So you guys should do that too. Always help a family member or friend that's new to crypto, guys. Help them enjoy being into crypto in a safe way. Educate them. So don't wait, guys. Don't wait. If you think, oh, I don't have to do it right now, you never know. You might wake up one day and be shocked what you see on an exchange or on your wallet on your computer. Things could be terrible if you were ever hacked. So if you're going to get one, guys, if you don't know anything about them, don't follow anyone out there and try to get a cheap one anywhere off, a used one or cheap one off some, Amazon or eBay or anything like that. Get them directly, because there's horror stories about tampering and scams. So just get one, guys, from the manufacturer, right from the official website. It's the safest way, the only way I would ever recommend to get one. And if you don't know how to get one or what we're talking about, there's a link in the description below, so you can go check that out and learn about and grab one of the best one, guys, and the most popular one crypto enthusiasts are using to secure their crypto and future profits. So guys, if you could, please like the video, give the video a like. I appreciate that. You're helping us out a lot whenever you do that for us. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Sometimes we have some viewers that are watching but not subscribed. Subscribe if you can. You'll always catch our newest videos, and we'll be able to stay in touch, because I love getting private messages from you guys about questions and sharing info that way too. And have a little fun today, tonight, wherever you are around the world, guys, and only check the market. If you're a super crypto enthusiast, look into the market and maybe you'll see some good buying opportunities because that's what you're doing in your spare time. But if not, don't let the bear market stress you out too much right now, and go do something fun. Step away from the market a little bit and keep an eye on it now and then as much as you have to, right? But don't let the bear market stress you out too much that the coins aren't moving, the prices aren't moving, and maybe you're down a little bit and it's really killing you right now. But good times are ahead. So let's stick in that together and let's educate each other and let's keep the market safe and make it safer so we get more institutional investors in, guys. And I hope you have a great night. I'm going to see you in the next one.